Good morning, everybody. Happy Bike to Work Day. I'm Angela from Get Women Cycling, and we're here at Ride Brooklyn Bike Shop, our member shop in Park Slope, Brooklyn. And today we want to talk to you about how to open up your brakes if you're riding a mountain bike, a city bike, or a hybrid, particularly the older models. And Cindy's are helping us with our camera, so thank you, Cindy. Thank you, Pete, and the staff here at Ride Brooklyn for having us here. And we'll demonstrate on this Live bike, this giant bike. It's probably pretty familiar to you. It has the fatter tire and the flat bar, and of course this type of brake. This is called the V brake, and one of the main deterrents of riding bicycles are flat tires. And to remove the tire, it's helpful when we open up the brakes so that it's easier to get the tire out. Last time we had a video, we demonstrated on a road bike, and today we'll demonstrate on this bike. What I want you to look at always is your starting position. So take a mental note as to how these brakes are sitting before you do anything to them, because we want to make sure that we put them back in this position. And now what we're going to do is squeeze on the brake arms on either side. And you have to kind of use some strength there. Squeeze it as hard as you can. And we'll pull back this rubber sleeve to take the noodle out of the catch. And this is the noodle with the curved shape to it. I pressed down with my index finger and it just popped right out. So now we're going to release the arms, and you'll see immediately how much more of a space we have between the brake pad and the rim, which will allow this wheel to come out of the fork very easily. This is the same type of technique you'll do for the back wheel. And now we'll demonstrate how to put it back in place. And again, it's pretty much the same actions. We're going to take the brake arms, squeeze it as hard as you can, get this catch in place, lift it with your fingers, and you'll see that the head of that noodle goes right in its place. Get that in there as tightly and as flat as you can, as straight as you can, before you put that rubber noodle back in place. And there you go. You can see that the gap is the same as it was when we started. Now we just test the brakes always. And that's it. I hope this was helpful. Thanks so much for watching. Check us out, Get Women Cycling. We have a media campaign, Show Me Helmet Hair, hashtag Show Me Helmet Hair. And for those of you who post the most with the most likes and shares will get a prize. So I hope to hear from you soon, and thanks again for watching. Bye.